Welcome to Bitcoin Daily, the channel which brings you every day the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. Today we are talking about MetaUniverse. MetaUniverse quite now listed 1.5 hours ago on CoinGecko. It is a ERC20 token, Ethereum network, so you can buy this token on UNISWAP version 2. Let's step inside MetaUniverse and what exactly they are doing. I cannot tell you much right now about this project because, folks, the project leader didn't write much about this project. So let's see here on MetaUniverseToken.com what exactly they are doing. Unfold the future. MetaUniverse is a revolutionary game partially owned and operated by its players. An immersive 3D adventure expanded game with expansion to a VR experience developed by Unreal Engine. Set in the depths of 2048, where few humans are still alive and cyborgs work together to fulfill missions to recover what's left of the world. Join the MetaUniverse revolution and begin your adventure. So this sounds like a game where you can play some cyborgs or some robots, whatever. Here you have a short video how it can look, or how it will look, that game. Token info. MetaUniverse is a community-driven DeFi token for the MetaUniverse ecosystem. Holders will shape the future of MetaUniverse by signaling their support for upgrades to the ecosystem in the Meta community. Use MetaUniverse to purchase items and collectibles, but you can use, trade or sell in the MetaUniverse. So this is one of these bots, how it can look, right? We have a 1 billion supply of token, 5% taxes, lock liquidity, and ownership renounced. I will close this Telegram. Sorry for that. Prototype. We can see here a nice graphics. If I scroll down, we can see some details about this robots, about this guns, also what you can later purchase, but that's all, guys. That's all what I see on this website. There's no white paper, there's no team, there's no explanation, there's nothing. It is a nice dream about the game, which, if it is done how they want to do it, it will be nice to have, nice to see, nice to play maybe. But right now I cannot tell much about this project, just this website. They have a Telegram group with 250 members right now. Again, they are just 1.5 hours online, but guys, you have to give more. You have to share more. You have to give us more about your project, right? This is too less right now, and I decide to make another video if I see some process going on. But if this kind of token get listed on CoinGecko, then people on CoinGecko are not really looking what they are listing. Because this right now it's a pre-sale. It's a pre-sale stage, right? It is an idea. It is not even explanation behind it. It's not much to grab, right? But it's okay. I cannot tell it's a shitcoin because right now I don't know anything about this project, and I don't want to tell you stay away from it. But just be careful. We don't have here anything, right? We have a nice idea. If it is working how they want that it is working in the future, it is good, it looks great, the graphics and everything, but it's too less, right? It's too less for much investors, so please keep on, guys. MetaUniverse community, keep on. We have right now, if we look on the chart, we have a liquidity about 15,000 US dollars. So that's not much right now. Trading volume 384,000. And yeah, guys, keep going on, because crypto, one day in crypto can change everything. So don't give up and move forward as a community and show people what exactly MetaUniverse should be. Because right now, correct me if I am wrong, right